Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Pipedrive web forms leads to Airtable, full guide step by step clearly. To backup Pipedrive web forms leads to Airtable, begin by logging into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the web forms section to identify the forms you want to backup. Open the specific web form you wish to export leads from. In the web form settings, look for the Leads or Submissions tab. Here, you can view all submissions tied to that web form. Select the option to export the leads. You will typically have the option to export the data in CSV format. Download the CSV file and save it in a known location on your computer. Now, log into your Airtable account. Create a new base by selecting Add a Base from your Airtable dashboard. You can name this base according to the project or purpose. Once inside the new base, create a table to store the Pipedrive leads. Define the columns in your Airtable table, ensuring they match the fields in your Pipedrive web form. Common fields may include name, email, phone number, and any custom data points. After setting up the table structure, locate the option to import data. Choose the CSV file you downloaded from Pipedrive. Select the appropriate settings to map your CSV columns to your Airtable fields. Once everything is set, initiate the import process. Airtable will process the file and populate your table with the leads. Verify that all information has been imported correctly. If you notice any discrepancies, you can edit individual entries directly in Airtable. To streamline future backups, consider automating this process with tools like Zapier or Integromat. This will allow for real-time data transfer between Pipedrive and Airtable. Consult the documentation of the automation tool for specific setup instructions. With this method, you ensure your leads are consistently backed up and easily accessible in Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.